I believe in my blood and those that came before.
And do you see the day? And do you see the day?
And chosen not to regret. And chosen not to regret.
And do you see the day?
But culminate into lessons that must be returned.
I know that the song of my spirit is stronger than anything death can imagine. I believe in my blood and those that came before. I believe eternity is buried within me, and suns shine to light my way to self from the traps laid by the night. I believe in love, the gentle spirit that has laid men and women on its altar for millennia, and we have manifested tongues of expression and passion. I am the resurrection of myself from the tomb. I dug myself within myself to bury myself with sands of disbelief. I am the vengeance of my own blood, to my own doubt of all I could become, or we could become, free from the slavery of our time. I speak life like Genesis and begin after all these years to breathe again. I am the tongue that writes the prophecy of my tomorrow. I pray for the miracle by my own hand and type its manifestation with the shuffle of my feet. I am the apology to my past when I cast my fate before horns and halos. I have retrieved my faith from temples and parliaments and armaments. I have opened my heart to hurt and chosen not to regret. For all the sands of an hourglass will not be upturned, but culminate into lessons that must be returned.